To add a layer to the map, search or browse for it, then click on the Add Layer to Map button in the upper right-hand corner. You may not want all the layers you have added to be visible at the same time. To toggle layers on and off, simply press the box to the left side of the layer name. Layers can be grouped into folders and layer groups. If a layer belongs to a folder or a layer group, that folder or layer group must be turned on in order for the layer itself to be visible. When browsing through data layers, you may choose to add all to map. This adds a layer group where each individual layer is a sublayer. For example, you can navigate to Resilience, NOAA Sea Level Rise Intermediate Scenario, and then select Add All to Map to add the projected sea level rise for 2040, 2050, 2070, and 2100 all at once. Some groups come further organized into folders. These are indicated by the folder icon beside the checkbox. For example, the Geoplan Administrative/Boundaries/Base Administrative group is added to the map under the Admin folder. Folders can toggle on the visibility of the entire folder's content. For example, if I turn off MPO Boundaries, but then click to turn on the Admin folder, MPO Boundaries are automatically turned back on. If the check mark next to a layer name is gray, this means that the layer is only visible at a closer map extent. Simply zoom in until the check mark appears green. To learn more about the layer, click on the menu icon beside the layer name and select Show Layer Info. This will include the layer's symbology, basic description, upload date, and source. To view metadata for a layer, click on the link on the pop-up that says View Complete Metadata. To remove a layer from the map, click on the Layer menu and then Remove Layer.